Okay, so what have we got here? Fragile, fragile. Wow, okay. Let's move you to somewhere better. Okay, so what do we have? Okay, have all that blood. Just get opening. Be careful when using knives. And just check. Of course, I actually do know what's in this box. Couldn't tell because I've ordered it, and that's why I'm making a video on it. Is because it's channel related and biggest step up. So, for you know, like people knew, I used to have a nice camera, or an alright camera. Nice is a bit of an overstatement, which kind of gives away this. But new camera, GoPro Hero 8. GoPro Hero 8. So, I bought this camera. A nice little gift to myself kind of thing. Because, you know, I had a camera, broke, and that's what I actually traded in for. I traded in my old UI Lite. I don't have it with me anymore, but worth roughly around £100. So, I could get £100 off this one, brand new. And because it's the same kind of mounting, got all the similar equipment and stuff for it, so good deal, I thought. So what do we get? We get an adhesive mount, the nice little battery, much smaller, and the Blu-ray micro. No, that's a USB-C actually, which is, I guess, is going to be slightly annoying. Not gonna lie. Now I'm going to have to carry this cable around with me in my already packed bag, but this camera should last a while. Oh, they really baited me here. I thought that was the mounting. Yes, it's not. Oh, no, I'm just being a bit dumb. Move. Okay, let's follow the simple instructions they give for me. Move up, and then it's squeezing and push. Okay, but still, I want to take this off anyway because don't need that. Okay, so, okay. So my old camera, I had to put it in the case for it to have the mounts, which made this camera a lot nicer. So, what do we have? Rubber, plastic, rubber again. So plastic, rubber, which is nice, keeps the weight down. What's this? Oh. Battery, I'm assuming. Where's that SD? No, battery. Okay, there we go. So we've got the insides inside there. What's the chance this is charged? If it's coming in international, it's probably not. But we can have a look and see. Hopefully we can set it up straight away. So, simple as that. So we've got charging there, which means it's not gonna still waterproof. Let me plug my USB. Oh, what am I on? Micro SD card in. Which way is it? It must be that way. Yep. Oh, bit of a pain to get this in. Oh, okay, let's take the battery out first. Okay, that's in. That goes in deep. I don't know how well you can see that, but so that USB's micro SD. Sorry, I barely ever use them apart from in my camera, so it's like a whole new language. Okay, well, I've got a nice little red light there. Let's close this up. It's probably gonna say that it's charging. Oh, okay. How do we take the screen off? Why is there not like a tab or anything? Where's the goddamn instructions? Oh, I've really been lied to here. Normally there is. Okay, like that. Okay, I'll set this up and be back with you right in a minute. Okay, so we're in a nice open space, and I'll put the GoPro on a mount that I had, a nice headband. I'll probably end up using when skating. I haven't worked that out too well. So, quick fire technical stats on the side of the box. So, 12 megapixel camera, 4K 60 frames, 8x slow-mo, hyper smooth 2, which is the proprietary technology that GoPro uses to make the video smooth, which does seem to work. Time warp 2.0, not sure. 1080p live streaming to Facebook, I believe. Live burst, which is the live photos for anyone that uses the phones. I guess most doesn't have them. Super photos plus HDR, just quite high quality. Takes the raw format, which is quite nice. Touch control, kind of swivel it, the mounts that fold in and out, and voice control. 10 meters of water and GPS, which make it quite a versatile tool. Don't know what the drop height is, but here we have this. So, like I say, on here, so I put it on charge for a bit, so it's got some power and it's working fine. I tested it out and the camera quality is quite nice. So, what we'll do, probably go test it. Okay, so after using the GoPro for a while, doing some tests, getting it underwater, taking shots, done quite a lot of photos of it. So the final review of this video that should have came out a very, very long time ago, and I'll try to wrap it up, is pretty good. We'll put on a clip now. Game on! Okay. Okay. So that was a clip of me and my friend playing some archery. Archery tag thing, pretty fun. Maybe another video if people want. You can see the hyper smooth there as running forwards, and the camera quality is just unbelievable really for any kind of activity like this. And like I say, even for just still photos, it's a pretty good camera. Okay, next clip is some actual skating, probably some of the first skating content on this channel. So, roll the clip. there we go. So the 2 clips done, and I just want to get this video out there. So never let the rave die, and keep exploring. Good night.